Hey y'all, we are here with our first box of the season. This is from Creekside Nursery. They are not sponsoring today's video, but I was going to go ahead and unbox this with you and give y'all a little bit of a review. I have some more items coming from them, hopefully really soon, but they haven't arrived yet. They went ahead and sent this one out though for me, which is really exciting. So I hope y'all stay tuned and tell me what you think. Have you gotten anything from Creekside before? And if so, what was your experience with them? It did get here really quick, I think within a day, which Georgia, North Carolina, they're pretty close. And it actually came the right side up, which always is a good start because sometimes shipping doesn't pay attention to that. And that's always nerve-wracking when you're buying plants. Know that they mishandled them. All right, so what I got from them, y'all, these are some plant tags because as y'all know, I've been struggling a little bit remembering the different names, and I want to make sure that I don't give y'all any of the wrong information by saying the wrong plant name. So I ordered some of those, which I'm really excited about. A copper plant label. I got a garden marker because you can never have too many of these. I lay them down and I forget where I put them at, and they're so much better than a Sharpie as far as not wearing off in the sun or the rain or whatever. Okay, they gave me the a gardener idea book from Proven Winners. That's always good to thumb through. And a nice little postcard that tells care instructions on your plant that you received. It's really windy today, so hopefully that's not picking up on the mic. All right, and here's the plant that I got from them. Packaged really nicely with the paper and all. All right, so I've gotten other plants that are like this where they put the staple into the side in order to keep all the soil in the container. This is just a little quart size. One thing that I seem to be missing is the plant tag. I was hoping that would be in here somewhere. Maybe I just haven't, maybe it's just down in the box or something. Okay, so this Sugar Shack Buttonbush 2.0 that's new for 2026 is for zones 4 through 10. It can get 3 to 4 feet tall and wide as opposed to the original Sugar Shack that gets 4 to 5 feet tall and wide. And so I'm really glad that they came out with this one because I was looking for something that would be a little bit smaller. I've seen some people's where their Sugar Shack got a lot larger than the tag said, and so I'm interested to see, does this one stay as compact as they say? It'll be a little bit of time, I think, before I'll see that with this little quart size start up. But we're putting it in a place in our yard where we had a hibiscus before that didn't do so well. I don't think it got quite enough sun. And the Sugar Shack Buttonbush gets a combination of part sun to sun. So I'm hoping it'll like that. But most importantly, our air conditioner system drips in this area. It stays very wet because we run our air conditioner a lot here in Georgia. And so the area can be very wet. And that seems to be an ideal situation for this Sugar Shack Buttonbush. So I'm excited to see. Stay tuned as we plant this one out. And y'all tell me, have you tried the Buttonbush in y'all's yard? If so, let me know. How did it go? Do you have the Sugar Shack cultivar or do you have a more native species? I'd love to hear more about it. Of course, the first thing you want to do when you receive any plants in the mail is you want to stop off and get them watered up and rehydrated because they've been in a box on the back of a truck. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to sit them over on the table and let it get some good sunshine.